2, 1, go.
All right, qualification match number 2 out of 71 here. As you see this Auton, once again, for those who don't know, these robots are fully autonomous. As you see 10, 90, 43, throwing some shots up here, and the human players for the Blue Alliance doing the same to try to get some first points here for the Blue Alliance. And here comes the shots from 10, one-on-one with a volley into the hub as Red will take that Auton. Here we go with teleop. Once again, the first 10 seconds here, both hubs are active. The Blue Alliance is going to do what they can to see if they can get some points here as two of the bots are moving. 9761. LSMA is still not moving here. But with that, we're going to go ahead and jump on in as the Blue Hub is active. Red Alliance is going to go ahead and do what they can to try to control the fuel and the flow of this. As you see 10 101 mopping up some of the fuel and pushing it to their side of the field as they wait for their chance to score into the hub. One of the blue robots is already beached after coming over the bump here, 5965. That is the Power Struck Girls is stuck on some fuel, with going to give the Red Alliance a chance to just run away, as you see in their volley of shots right there into the hub. 10 101 going ahead and picking up the fuel in their area right there by their depot. Some defense trying to come from 96-99, but still not enough, as the Red Alliance is going to hit and try to get some more points here before that hub switches to the Blue Alliance. About 45 points here separate these teams. As you see, 10 101 still trying to go ahead and mop up the fuel, pushing it to their side of the field as they deliver it under the trench here. 7288 trying to get some of the balls and fuel stuck from outside of their robot to get down to less than a minute remaining. The blue robot and the Blue Alliance is just still unable to get anything moving on, which is going to allow the Red Alliance to just run away. As you can see, the volley of shots now coming from their human players and the Red Alliance. Here we go once again with 10-943 heading to the center to pick up and mop up some of that fuel as they try to get some last remaining points before the hub switches for end game time. Once again, for those who are not familiar, at the end game time with 30 seconds left, both hubs are active for both of the alliances to score. But with the Blue Alliance unable to do anything right now, Red is just going to go ahead and volley those shots here from both the human players and the robots alike. Getting down to the last 10 seconds here, they have reached that threshold of being energized by getting 100 points scored into their hub here, as we're going to come to the close here for qualification match number 2. And the scores are in your winner, the Red Alliance. With a score 129-4, they will receive 4 ranking points for that match, 3 for the win and 1 for reaching the threshold of being energized, scoring 100 fuel and exactly 100 fuel into their hub.